This is part 2 from Square Root Common Core Algebra 1 homework. Sorry guys, my cell phone began to act up and I had to get another phone. No, not another phone, but another way to record this. So, but it's a work in progress. I'm still gonna do this. I'm still gonna try and finish. But let me continue trying to finish this last problem I was doing before in my last video. The 1/2, and then it will be 8, because 11 minus 3, 8 comes in. And then you may multiply 1/2 times 8, which will later equal 4. Yes. Now let's continue over here. Now it says, all square roots so far have been nice, quote unquote. We will discuss what they mean to more in the next lesson. We could use the multiplication property to help simplify certain products of not so nice square roots. Find each of the following products by first multiplying a radicand. I never heard that word in my life. Parentheses and numbers under the square roots. Now, just also in advance, I may be having to do parts in the video. So, how this is part 2, because my part 1 video actually went a little faulty. So I may have at least 4 parts to this. But bear with me. In the end, I will finish this thing. So let's see how far I can get. Okay, so A, square root 2 times square root 50. So we're really just multiplying. The multiplication property. So that's like you just saying, let's multiply 50 times 2. Overall, that will be 100, correct? And then the square root of 100 will equal 10. Yes, 10. Now B, let's multiply again. 12 times 3 will equal, yes, you guessed it, 36. Now square root of 36 will equal 6. Now, this may look tricky, but it's not really. I swear, it's not. Now, the square root, actually, I'm bugging out right now. Now look, we will still multiply the 6 times the 24. So 24 times 6 will equal 144. Don't forget to square root it with the 5. Now, overall, you will do this. Square root of 144 will equal 12, parentheses. Don't forget to bring the 5. So you have 5, parentheses, 12. Multiply 5 times 12. What would that give you? 60. Just told you, it's not that hard. Now, D. Square root 25 minus square root 2 times square root 8. Now, we will, again, see what square root of 25 is. It's 5 minus, you could combine these. I just like to break down this now, so I could do it easily. So 2 times 8 will equal the square root of 16. Correct? Square root of 16 is 4. So 4 minus 5 will equal, in the end, 1. Oh, my sisters and brothers. Next one. Square root of 1/2 times square root of 118. Now, you may just want to multiply them both, but if you do, you could use your calculator, as I did in my last video, my calculator. But overall, you will get 1/30, correct? And then it may be also placed as equal 1/6. Next one. Square root of 3/4 times square root of 27/4. That may look a little tricky because 27/4 is an improper fraction. But we may be able to fix that as well. Now, you can multiply fractions like we've been doing since the last problem. So it'll be 81/16, and which will equal 9/4. If you simplify, 9 times. But overall, it will equal that. And that's your problem right there. We are now finished with the first page. I'll take a second for you to look. You may pause the video if you need to. If you do not to, just give me 2 seconds for the other people to begin. Let's continue. We are now on page 2 of Square Roots Common Core Algebra 1 homework. This is still part 2. Thank you. Now let's begin. Question 4. Write each of the following in simplest radical form. Show the work that leads to your answer. The first exercise has been done to remind you of the procedure. Okay. Now this is where everything will go down. Everything. But you know what I would like to do? I would like to pause the video and allow you to come think of this. This will be the ending of part 2, and I will be back soon.